Have you recently strolled down your grocery store's produce aisle and spotted a beautifully bizarre fruit that beckons with long, yellow fingers? This is the Buddha's hand citron, a distinctive citrus that doesn't have the juicy flesh we usually associate with this category of fruit. These fruits are also known as finger citrus, not to be confused with finger lime and finger citron. In East Asia, Buddha's hand citrons are associated with bestowing luck upon the home they perfume, and for cooks and mixologists, they offer a refreshingly optimistic scent that infuses liquors, syrups, and teas dramatically. Buddha's hand is a variety of citron. Its full botanical name is Citrus medica var. Sarcodactylus, the varietal derived from the Greek sarkos and dactylos meaning fleshy finger. Those fingers, numbering from about 5 to 20 plus, are carpal separated into fleshless segments. Sometimes they are held close together or closed, like a praying hand. Other times, they are arranged loosely. Picture a squid in jet propulsion mode or splayed apart, like a relaxed and corpulent octopus. Like most other citrus, Buddha's hand is native to Asia. It is thought to have originated in India before traveling west and east. Buddha's hand citron are the oldest citrus fruits in cultivation, possibly on account of their very thick skin, which help them travel well. The cultivation of Buddha's hand citron begins with selecting the right variety and ensuring the proper growing conditions. This citrus requires a warm climate with plenty of sunshine, and it thrives in well-drained, slightly acidic soil. Farmers often start the cultivation process by propagating the plants through cuttings or grafting onto rootstocks that are resistant to disease and pests. The young trees are typically planted in the early spring, allowing them to establish roots before the summer heat. They are spaced adequately to ensure good air circulation, which helps prevent the spread of diseases. Throughout the growing season, the trees are carefully monitored and tended to, with regular pruning to maintain their shape and promote healthy growth. Pest and disease management is essential for maintaining healthy Buddha's hand citron trees. Common pests include aphids, scale insects, and citrus mites, which can be controlled through natural predators, organic sprays, or chemical treatments as a last resort. Fungal diseases, such as root rot and citrus canker, are managed through proper irrigation practices and the use of disease-resistant rootstocks. The harvesting process for Buddha's hand citron is meticulous and labor-intensive, contributing to the fruit's high cost. These fruits ripen from November through early February, which is when they are available from growers and at some grocery stores. The timing is perfect if a Buddha's hand makes an auspicious New Year's gift. Harvesters use sharp, sterilized pruning shears to cut the fruits from the tree, leaving a small portion of the stem attached. This helps prevent any damage to the fruit and reduces the risk of infections entering the tree. The harvested fruits are then placed in padded baskets to protect them from bruising during transportation. Once harvested, the sorted fruits are then carefully packed into boxes lined with soft materials to prevent bruising during transport. Due to their delicate nature, Buddha's hand citrons are often shipped in temperature-controlled environments to maintain their freshness and prevent spoilage. The transportation process involves a network of distributors and retailers, ensuring the fruits reach their destination in pristine condition. Several factors contribute to the high cost of Buddha's hand citron. Firstly, the cultivation process is labor-intensive and requires significant attention to detail. From selecting the right varieties and ensuring optimal growing conditions to meticulously hand-picking and handling the fruits, every step involves considerable effort and expertise. Secondly, the yield of Buddha's hand citron trees can be relatively low compared to other citrus varieties. The fruit's unique shape and structure mean that not all flowers develop into marketable fruits, and those that do must be carefully managed to ensure they meet quality standards. Additionally, the limited growing regions for Buddha's hand citron also play a role in its high cost. While the fruit is native to Asia, it is not widely cultivated on a large scale, making it a specialty crop. The demand for Buddha's hand citron, both for its ornamental value and culinary uses, often exceeds the supply, driving up prices. Finally, the intricate post-harvest handling and transportation processes add to the overall cost. Ensuring that the delicate fruits reach consumers in perfect condition requires careful packaging, temperature control, and efficient logistics, all of which contribute to the final price of the fruit. In conclusion, the Buddha's hand citron is a remarkable fruit with a rich cultural history and unique characteristics that make it both a culinary delight and a symbol of good fortune. Its cultivation and harvesting involve meticulous care and attention, contributing to its high cost. Despite the expense, the Buddha's hand citron remains a sought-after fruit for its distinctive appearance, delightful fragrance, and versatile uses in the kitchen.